Want faster browsing, better privacy, and an easier way to use your favorite DNS on Android? Good news! You can set it up in less than a minute, and I'll show you exactly how. If you've got a custom DNS address and want to add it to your Android phone, the process is actually super simple. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, look for Connections and tap on it. Depending on your phone brand, the menu name might be slightly different, but it's usually easy to find. After that, tap More Connection Settings. Now scroll down until you see Private DNS, then open it. You'll see a few options here. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Once that's selected, enter the DNS hostname you want to use. Make sure you type it correctly so everything works properly. When you're done, tap Save. And that's it! Your Android phone will now use the DNS address you entered. It's a quick and easy way to improve privacy, security, or even access specific DNS features you prefer. See? Less than a minute and you're all set.